Hello, welcome KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you to change your email on DoorDash. But before I begin, I would like to let you know that this video is brought to you by Amazon Prime. If you shop on Amazon, you can save a lot of money by getting Amazon Prime subscription. If you want to learn more about how you can save all this money, click on the Amazon Prime subscription trial link. You can find this link in the video description. Now let's get back to the video. Like I said, I'll show you to change your email on DoorDash app. We'll start by opening up your DoorDash app. So once you open up your DoorDash, you're going to arrive on this main screen right here. Look on the upper left-hand corner, we're going to see a profile icon, which has like a circle, a person head inside there, a person profile. So make sure you tap on that. Once you tap on that, you're going to arrive on this main screen right here. Once you arrive here, look on where it says change your account information. It's the first option underneath account, and you should have your name on it. So make sure you tap on that. Once you tap on that, you're going to arrive on this main screen right here. Once you arrive here, look on where it says email right there. So make sure you tap on email. Then you can install your new email. So make sure you install the correct email, otherwise it will be hard to work. And once you install your new email, look on the upper right hand corner where it has a save icon. So make sure you tap on save. Then they're gonna ask to verify. Or if you don't want to verify with your phone number, you can just switch other option. You can say like send by a code. And once you get the code, so make sure you tap on where it says verify, or it won't work. So just tap on verify right there. And you're gonna see your email switch right there. And that's how you change your email on DoorDash app. If you have like any other questions, leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to check out the Amazon Prime subscription trial. You can find them in my video description. And thank you for watching.